Hi, I'm Jordan with Sawblade.com. Are you in demand for an industrial blade to help you tackle all your projects? Well, Sawblade.com has got you covered. This is our 6.5-inch thin steel QSaw blade. This thin steel blade is designed to handle materials with a wall thickness from a 1/16 to 1/4 inch. The 6.5-inch blade fits all machines with a 5/8 arbor and with a max speed of 5,800 RPMs. It's equipped with an industrial quality metal cutting carbide with a triple chip design. This provides excellent blade life as well as an outstanding finish in a variety of applications. It also has a thick laser cut body yielding superior rigidity to the blade, making it tough enough to handle even the toughest of projects. To get your industrial quality QSaw blade, log on to Sawblade.com where we offer a wide variety of performance sawing products at factory direct prices. I'm Jordan with Sawblade.com, and remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem, go direct.